Jeffrey here, and today I am at what I call the 1936 house. I call it the 1936 house because it was built in 1936. It's in St. Louis, Missouri. It has 4 bedrooms, has 2 full bathrooms, and is 1,290 square feet. You enter into the living room, and the interior includes an open floor plan with an eat-in kitchen, large bedrooms, and 2 areas for washer and dryer hookup, and a full basement with 1 car garage. The first bedroom is off of the living room, and it's big enough for a king-size bedroom furniture suite. A remodel of the 2 bathrooms, the kitchen and basement, were completed 2 years ago. So all that's really needed in here are 2 walls and a closet painted. And I've already got the past inspection from the county, so it's pretty much good to go. I like the tile job in both of the bathrooms. Good choice of color. And the second bedroom. Appliances that are included are the stove, refrigerator that was just delivered, a dishwasher, microwave, and garbage disposal. I like the matching tile job in the kitchen also. The third bedroom. And the fourth bedroom. The exterior includes a covered front and back porch, off-street parking, and a nice sized lot of about half an acre. And the basement has a big room whenever you walk down the stairs. It's perfect for a family room or a game room or someone's extra bedroom if they really needed it to be. To the right is the garage and storage area. On the other side is a bathroom with tub and shower, and it has a small closet. Then another storage area with laundry hookup and the furnace. And there it is, 1936 house. A 4-bedroom house that's almost ready to rent. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.